now, UPS truck drivers have to endure this sweltering heat with no AC. But UPS just announced a deal with the union to add air conditioning to its trucks for the first time. So, starting in January, any newly purchased vehicles will come with AC, and UPS is going to deploy those vehicles to the hottest parts of the country first. The company is also getting cab fans installed in its trucks and will add an air intake vent on the passenger side to feed fresh air to the cargo bay. In the meantime, UPS is giving its workers special uniforms that are made of cooling fabrics, as well as more access to ice, cool water, and Gatorade.